Hey guys, welcome to Katrina is Home. My name is Katrina and I want to bring you guys today, give you a quick dining room update. We're not finished decorating yet. We moved in about less than a month ago, so we're still making some updates, but I want to give you a quick update of what we've done so far. So here's our dining room. We have more of a rustic dining room table. We've had this for quite a few years from West Down, but they still carry it. It's a really sturdy table, particularly with kids. We find it very easy to clean, so we've kept this for many years. It has like a nice bench because kids sometimes spill things. So we do have the lighter chairs around the edges of the table, but we found that having the balance of both is really helpful. We did decorate the table, added these nice vases here for a little bit of contrast, and I love a good stone. Like I found so many of these stones from like HomeSense and Home Goods, but anytime I see these stones, I grab one because they always just add a little nice touch and a piece of nature to the house. I always love a good stone. So we added that here. Also, this rug is newer. We did purchase this rug. We needed something a little brighter. Our prior rug was more like a jute rug with like a little bit of charcoal. We found that it darkened the space more, so we wanted something that would lighten up this space. So this rug has like a combination of gray and tan, dark charcoal to bring touches of this bench cushion here. And also a little bit of white as well. So it's like a good balance. The tan pieces of it brings in colors from the chair here. I love these chairs because they have like these nail heads here, but it's more like a rustic nail head. These are from Ethan Allen. We again have had these for several years. And it has like a nice dark brown base to it, which brings in some touches from the table here. So this has been a very good sturdy piece for many years. We did also add some drapery, again from Amazon. So we have these chrome curtain rods and then these white curtains. This is a very long window. We have this, I forget how many inches it is, but I know these curtain panels are about 96 inches long. But although these curtains move over, they could probably cover most of the window. I like for a curtain to be nice and plush. So we added 4 panels instead of 2. So we had the curtain guy put the curtain rods up there, and we added the 4 panels. When it's all closed, it's like a nice plush space, so it's not like you're kind of stretching one curtain rod and it kind of looks all flat. It has like some nice folds into it, and that's what the look we were going after. So these turned out really well. As you can see, during the day, we pushed off these curtain rods off to the side, and then right here in the middle, we pinched these off in the middle. So it adds like a little bit of tradition to this space because a lot of spaces in this house have a lot of crown molding, and we consider that to be very traditional. So we wanted to add a little bit touches of traditionalism here by gathering it here. And the curtain rod here, so it really works, and the curtain panel here works out really well. So we like so far how everything has turned out. We do intend to add some wall decor. I'm not quite sure what kind of wall decor yet. Should we put some pictures here on this wall, and what to do with the wall adjacent to that as well, or across the room from it. So I'm still on the fence. I don't like to overdo a room. I don't really like very traditional dining rooms. I like something where people can come over, of course after COVID. You can come in, you can have a seat, you can feel comfortable, and you don't really feel like you're coming in and messing up anything. So I want to keep it very minimalistic, but still add a nice touch to the room without taking away any of the ambiance of the room overall. But these are some of the updates that we made to the room. I just wanted to bring you guys a quick video to show you what we've done so far. Again, a lot of this is still in progress. We still have some more work to do, but we're really happy with what we've been able to accomplish so far. We've only been here about almost a month now. We've been here now, or actually 2 weeks now. So it hasn't been too long, but we've moved most things in, but we still have some more work to do. So I want to bring you guys a quick video. So thanks for joining. You guys have a great day. See you next time.